Setting up a home network IP camera system by Omaha Computing Solutions is a smart way to monitor your home remotely. It starts with choosing the right cameras for your needs, whether indoor or outdoor, wired or wireless. Once you have your cameras, the next step is to connect them to your home network. This involves setting up a central hub where all the camera feeds will be collected and monitored. Omaha Computing Solutions recommends using a network video recorder, NVR, that can handle the video feeds from your cameras. The NVR is connected to your home network and provides a centralized location for storing and accessing the footage. It's like the command center of your home surveillance system. To set up your IP cameras, you'll need to follow the manufacturer's instructions for connecting them to the NVR or directly to your home network. This usually involves connecting the cameras to power and then syncing them with the NVR or network. Once the cameras are connected, you can access their feeds through a computer or mobile device by logging into the NVR's interface. Omaha Computing Solutions also recommends setting up remote access to your camera feeds so you can check in on your home from anywhere with an internet connection. This involves configuring the NVR to allow remote viewing and installing any necessary apps on your mobile devices. In addition to setting up the cameras and NVR, Omaha Computing Solutions emphasizes the importance of securing your home network. This includes setting strong, unique passwords for your cameras and NVR, as well as ensuring that your home network is properly secured with a firewall and encryption. By following these steps and recommendations from Omaha Computing Solutions, you can set up a reliable home network IP camera system that provides peace of mind and security for your home. With remote access, you can keep an eye on your property even when you're away, making it a valuable investment in home security and surveillance. If you get stuck, call Omaha Computing Solutions and their technicians will be there to save the day.